Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, I have this hair trimmer. It just only starts and stops. If it is placed on charging, it will charge a little bit and then it will stop. Even it is remained for a long time, it will not charge. We can test it. Remove this trimming head. Check this motor. It moves freely, but it have no power. The motor does not have a power. So if we check this trimming head, it is moving freely. If it have some obstruction, we can remove from these two screws and we can clean it, and then we can apply silicone oil. We will make cleaning in the final fitting. Now remove this screw from the rear side. Lift it up from this point and from this side. Now push from the rear side. Now just only pull this PCB upward. And now we can remove these batteries from these 2 points and we can check batteries. Now we can check the motor speed. We can see the motor have rotation but not too much strong, and we can check also the battery condition, because even it is at charger for 10 hours, so we can determine the health of battery. It is 2.3 volts and suddenly it drops about 1.1 volt, so that means the battery is totally weak, so we have to replace battery. And I have this new battery set, so we have to make like the same. So here it is positive, so we have to put positive here, and this end should be negative, so we have to make a combination like that. So we have to make a jumper this side so that it will become in series, and we will take positive output from this point and negative output from this point. Now we will make tinning for both batteries, and then we will make jumper. Now I will cut 2 wires for positive and negative, and we will make one piece here to make jumper this side, and we will take 2 wires from here and we will connect it here. Now I connected the jumpers. We have done this, so this positive end we will connect to the board positive side, and negative to negative. Now we will charge it. and we will install it here in this way. First to enter the lower side and then to enter the top side. Now we will check the charging before setting it. Set multimeter to DC. So it is charging 2.868789, 2.9. So that's good. It is charging now. Now I packed it. I fitted these LEDs at their places. Everything is okay. Now we can check this switch at both positions. It is working good. So now insert this mechanism in the body, fit it at its place. Now connect this terminal, screw it here. It is now tight. We can check its charging. Yes, it is charging. It is connected. Now here is switch. Place this cut side to the forward and place it in this hole and lock the screws, and lock these, insert these locks in the cut. So it's okay now. Now we have to make servicing for this trimming head. Carefully, first of all, we have to hold it in this way and hold it firmly and loose both sides equally. Here is a very high tension spring. If we will not take care, it may fly away. Now very carefully lift it up here. So we have to trim this head. Then we can remove, press this spring here, lift up here. Here is a catch and here is a packing. Now clean it. Take care this adjustment lever. If you have silicone oil, you can use silicone oil. If you have this lubricant or any grease, use a very slight amount of grease. Lubricate so it's okay. It's okay now clean. To install this one, first of all, place this spring here, hold it with this thumb and slightly push it and move to forward. Now press it from front side to inside. Take care because it is very high tension spring. Place finger here and slowly slide it here. We have to adjust it properly. Here it is aligned with the screw holes. Now place this packing here and adjust it in the body. Press it, tight it. Now check its this movement. It is moving good. Now apply this lubricant here. Now when I lubricate it, I have to move it like this so that the lubricant should go inside. Now we have to clean the excessive lubricant. Now the packing is in its place and we can insert from this point here, and it is here. Slow speed, 2 speeds, and we can check the adjustment. So this trimming head is moving forward and back, and the trimmer end are equal, so our machine is so this trimmer is now ready. I hope so this video is good and enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed, give a thumb up, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.